will show you in details how to reset a door lock. It's pretty easy, no parts needed repair. Let's get started. Mitsubishi Delica L400. This one is project 1994, and we have a problem. Hatch door doesn't latch, or rear door or tailgate door doesn't latch, and as you can see here, I'm using a strap, and it's not a solution, but at least I can keep my door closed. And the problem is it doesn't go all the way, and we still have a huge gap on the bottom. You can see here, and dust is getting in and lots of road noise. Not good. We have to figure it out and fix it, and it's not a big deal. We'll get it. And as you can see here, the U-bolt, which should latch on a door lock mechanism, it just not happening. Yeah, let's take this strap off and start our repair. Okay, there we go. And as you can see here, I have my back plastic cover removed. Pretty easy, just pried it out. There's a bunch of plastic clips, and yeah, let me close it and you will see what I mean. And as you can see here, door doesn't go all the way in, and it just hits a U-bolt on the bottom. As you can see here, this tongue needs to go up and stay in a horizontal position, and when you slam your door and close it down, that tongue moves up and grabs the U-bolt and door stays locked. But right now, because it's stuck in the side kind of locked position, it's already locked, but we don't have a U-bolt there. It just hits this tongue and is doing nothing. Let me show you on that Delica how it's supposed to be when it's in the proper position. Tongue is up and it's flat. Soon this tongue will hit the U-bolt, door will get latched and closed behind. Let me demonstrate. As you can see here, I'm pushing my door, and good, and up. Yeah, that's what we want to see. And the lock should stay flat in unlocked position. Let's get back to our Delica with the problem and get this one set properly. Here I have spare door lock mechanism removed from L400 Mitsubishi Delica, and for demonstration purposes it's easier for me to show you on a removed part. Then first of all, everything starts with a good penetrating oil lubrication. Let's spray it really good, because over time it dries up, gets lots of dirt and dust. Just go and spray it, make sure it's all well lubricated, and remember, lubricant is our best friend. Just spray it inside here, because good lubrication, it will move freely. Okay, lubrication is first, and you need a flat screwdriver. Here we have two connecting rods coming to the inner part of the bottom door lock mechanism. This one is going to your key lock cylinder. This end connects to your door actuator solenoid, and if you're doing it on a vehicle, you have to turn your key to the open position and unlock your door lock cylinder. Right now, what we're going to do, we just pull it up like that. That's unlocked. Then grab door handle rod, or just pull the handle down to open the door, same way you do from opening. Right now I'm going to push it down like that. Push it down, hold it down, grab your screwdriver, get your screwdriver on this tongue and flip it like that. And now your door is set to open position. Next time you're going to close, it will go like this and get your door closed. See, then you push it and you unlock it, right? Then you have to close it. You release this handle and you close it and it goes closed. Stay closed. You push it in, unlock it, and it's unlocked. All right, let's do the same thing on a vehicle. We have the lock lubricated. I'm going to pull the lock cylinder rod up to unlock the bottom lock, and I'm going to push the door handle rod all the way down to open it. Get my screwdriver here and pry this tongue a little bit, and as you can see, it's coming. Make sure nothing jammed behind. It's very important. Grab it like this and push it all the way. Yeah, it will go like that. Many times as you want, and everything is working. If it will go accidentally somehow into the lock position when door is open, well, you know what to do, and it's pretty easy, pretty simple. Yeah, knowledge is the power. I'm going to put the door panel back. That's a simple part. And if this video is helpful, please put a thumbs up. Thank you so much, guys, for your time watching this video. Very appreciating that. And if you have any comments, critiques, suggestions, concerns, questions, put everything down in the comment section below under the video. I will try my best to answer. And yeah, keep your Delica on the road, and she won't ever let you down. And see you soon. Take care.